Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco F4. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There is another yellow box inside. Now here has been the phone in, the yellow box here has been on top of it, and if you open this yellow box you will see here the SIM ejection tool. Okay, just flap the wings a bit like this, then it's released. Otherwise, by the way, you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole, but this is the microphone. So please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole at the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards, one on the top and one on the other side. What is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle, by the way. And if you see it, you have to turn the SIM tray at first because SIM 1 is below. Okay, and let's start now with SIM 1. You place it like this. Press it a bit, that's well inserted. So the contacts are here on the top, and there's a missing corner here at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. It just fits like this, and yeah. If you want, you can add now a second SIM card on the other side. It's on the top of the SIM tray, now that's SIM 2. So you insert it also like this, press a bit, sometimes you hear a click noise, then you know it's well inserted. If not, just press a bit now, like me here. And yeah, also here missing corner on missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are here also on the top. Okay, and if you're ready with, just put your construction back into the SIM slot here. Make sure that the side of SIM 2 is to the display side and the side for the SIM 1 is to the camera side below. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. But by the way, the SIM tray just fits in one way. No? So you cannot do something wrong or something like this. No? Just if it works, it works. So SIM 2 on the top, SIM 1 below. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao!